January 22, 2026 Catalonia, Spain. A powerful Mediterranean storm has reached Spain after crossing Italy. 1 person was killed and 10 others were injured. A powerful storm system that initially affected parts of Italy with heavy rain and flooding crossed the Mediterranean Sea and entered northeastern Spain over the weekend, causing flooding, landslides and fatalities in the Catalonia region. The powerful storm Harry, with heavy rains and strong winds, caused rivers and streams to overflow in the provinces of Girona, Barcelona and Catalonia, as well as parts of Tarragona and Lleida. The storm, which had hit southern Italy with 9-meter waves in recent days and caused the immediate evacuation of hundreds of people, also affected northeastern Spain, especially the Catalonia region, after passing through Italy, causing flooding and overflowing rivers, which inundated residential areas and agricultural lands. The storm also caused damage to infrastructure, disruption to rail transport, road and communication routes, and power outages, and according to reports, 1 person died and dozens of other passengers were injured. According to the European Meteorological Agency, this storm system first became active in northern and central Italy on January 18 to 19, 2026, causing torrential rains, rising river levels, and flooding cities and farmland. Italian authorities issued emergency warnings and closed a number of roads. After weakening somewhat in Italy, the storm picked up more moisture as it passed over the Mediterranean Sea and strengthened again. Experts said that the system was moving westward and approaching the Iberian Peninsula. On January 20th to 22nd, 2026, the storm finally entered northeastern Spain, with the greatest impact reported in the Catalonia region. According to statistics released by local authorities in Catalonia, Storm Harry caused several serious incidents with heavy rainfall and landslides. At least 1 person died and more than 37 passengers were injured when a passenger train derailed on the route from Gelida to Sant Sadurní de Anoia, some of whom were taken to hospital. Also in the town of Palau-Sator in the province of Girona, a man and his car went missing after a river burst its banks and a search operation is ongoing. Heavy rains have caused slippery roads and flooded roads, leading to several accidents and stranded vehicles in rural areas. Emergency services said they received hundreds of calls for help during the storm, reporting flooded homes, blocked roads, and fallen trees, and that a number of schools and public facilities in the affected areas were temporarily closed. According to official reports, the situation in the affected areas across Catalonia was severely disrupted. Many families were forced to temporarily leave their homes due to flooding, and a number of citizens in villages and suburbs were trapped inside their homes or cars for several hours.
On the Anyar River, several other rivers and streams across the Emporter region